Okay.
Okay.
Well, first thing, my wife, she's went on, she was online just looking for windows, and she happened to find Zen, and she kind of checked into it, and we was trying to decide between Zen and a few other places, and it just seemed like Zen was a better place. One thing that really caught my attention is he didn't want anything up front.
Yeah.
And that, to me, that was unusual, but hey, he said you don't pay until the job is done. Right. So that there was a good selling point as far as I was concerned.
Good.
And then they said he was going to come out. We made, they came out and measured the windows. And then I had Dale, they came out and showed us the windows, how they work and everything. And we was ready, we was pleased with that. So they told us when they would come, he called us when the windows came, set up the date when they would come. They was here, 8 o'clock. And he let us know to try to, move the stuff. He said, he said we only had to move some of the stuff enough where they can get to the windows. We thought we had to move stuff out, but he said just enough to get to the windows, and that helped. It was a job, but it helped. Then now, like I said, he came in and got started, laid down the cloth on the floor, and the next thing we know, they were taking the windows out. I went, took a little nap, came back, the windows was in. So now, it's getting close to like evening, still light out. He's cleaning up the outside and wrapping the windows, and I would definitely recommend him to anybody that's looking for windows.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.